Hello everyone, this is Cyril from the IT Bros. In this video, we'll walk through the step-by-step configuration of time synchronization via the NTP protocol in an Active Directory domain environment using group policy. You will learn how to centrally configure time synchronization for all domain controllers and clients, ensuring accurate time across the network. We'll separately cover the manual configuration of the PDC domain controller for synchronization with external authoritative NTP servers like pool NTP.org and the use of group policy for automatic configuration. Time synchronization in Active Directory is performed according to a strict domain hierarchy. The primary domain controller emulator should synchronize its time with an external network time protocol source and serve as the authoritative time source for all other domain controllers. The time on all other workstations and member servers within the domain is synchronized with the nearest domain controller. First, find out which domain controller is the current owner of the PDC role. Log into this DC. In my case, I'm already on it. Let's use the following command to check what time source this server uses. It synchronizes the time with the local hardware CMOS clock. Let's disable this and restart the time service. Next, you need to locate the nearest external time sources with which you will synchronize your domain. The easiest option is to use the NTP servers provided by the NTP Pool project. I chose NTP servers in the United States for my environment. Copy the addresses of the NTP servers. First, let's verify that the NTP servers in this pool are reachable from this server and that firewalls are not blocking the access. Next, I will set these NTP servers manually as the time source for my PDC. The video description contains a complete list of all the commands used. Replace the NTP server addresses in the command with those that you want to use. Check where the PDC is currently getting its time from. As you can see here, the time source are NTP servers from the AS pool. As the PDC Emulator FSMO role can be transferred between domain controllers, we will configure a group policy to automatically set the external time source on the DC that currently holds the PDC role. To do this, we will create a group policy with a WMI filter. Create a WMI filter to ensure that the policy only applies to the current PDC role owner. Then create a new group policy for the built-in domain controller's container and apply the previously created WMI filter to it. Edit the policy, then go to the Windows Time Source node. First, enable the Global Configuration Settings option. Change the Announce flag's value to 8. Then enable policy options under the TimeProviders section. In the NTP client settings policy, select NTP as the server type and specify the NTP server pool to use. Update the group policy settings on the domain controller. Your PDC server, along with all domain controllers, member servers and workstations, will now be synchronized with a reliable external time source. That's all. Like the video and subscribe our channel for more tips. Have a nice day.